In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use trim in Excel. If you've ever copied data into Excel and noticed that some cells have extra spaces before, after, or even between words, the trim function is a simple way to clean that up. It's especially useful when you're working with imported lists, names, product descriptions, or any text that looks correct at first glance but causes problems because of hidden spacing. Using trim can help make your spreadsheet cleaner, easier to read, and more reliable when sorting, filtering, or matching data. To get started, click into the next empty cell beside the text you want to clean. In that cell, type the formula equals trim, then open a parenthesis, and select or type the target cell that contains the text with extra spaces. Then close the parenthesis. So the formula should look like equals trim, followed by the cell reference in parentheses. What this does is tell Excel to return a cleaned up version of the text from that cell. The trim function removes leading and trailing spaces, and it also reduces multiple spaces between words down to a single space. That means you keep the text itself, but get rid of unnecessary spacing that can interfere with your work. Once the formula is entered, press Enter on your keyboard. Excel will immediately display the cleaned text in the new cell. At this point, you can compare the original version with the trimmed version and confirm that the spacing has been corrected. This is a great approach when you want to preserve the original data while creating a cleaned version next to it. If you need to apply the same cleanup to more rows, you can continue using the formula in adjacent cells the same way. It's a fast and dependable method for improving data quality without manually editing each entry. One helpful tip is to remember that trim works on text spacing, not other formatting issues. So, if a cell contains other hidden characters from copied data, trim may improve the text, but not fix every issue. Still, for normal extra spaces, it's one of the easiest and most effective text cleaning tools in Excel. That's all there is to it. Type the trim formula in the next cell, point it to the target cell, and press Enter to get a cleaned version of your text. It's quick, simple, and incredibly useful in everyday spreadsheet work. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. We post new software tutorials every day to help you get the most out of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching.